All right. Hey, Oliver.
Hi.
What are we doing today, dude?
Making a panda.
Making a panda.
Even some bamboo.
Even some bamboo. All right, guy. It's super cute. Wait, how did you know pandas eat bamboo?
Because I play Minecraft.
Oh. Okay.
And they're like the slowest mobs in Minecraft.
Oh.
Well, there's angry, lazy, and more.
Oh, okay. One day you'll have to.
The slowest is the lazy panda.
Lazy panda, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. One day you'll have to show me how to play Minecraft. Not today.
Yeah.
But one day. Okay. Well.
Pitter patter, let's get at it.
Pitter patter, let's get at it. Alrighty, friend. Alrighty, tighty. These are the pieces that you will need to build your cute little Lego panda. Yep. So if you need to find any bricks, now's the best time to pause, go find your bricks, and come on back. We'll be here waiting. All right, buddy. Let's get started. Grab first brick. Okay, and what's next? What do you put on it? Ooh. Roll away.
You can use any type of leaves.
Okay, yes, okay, good.
And then double that.
Good. What's next?
This is a lazy thing.
Make sure you squish it. You squished it?
Yeah.
Good. Very good. Now on to the face. I don't know what that is.
What?
Tail. It's bottom and it's tail. Yes.
You want it to be a butt.
But not everybody calls it a butt. Some people call it a bottom, which is fine.
Yeah. Now it looks more like a bottom. They put a blue placeholder in.
You're doing great, my guy.
Nice. Ooh, got it. Wait, why did I see something? Get away, please. Oh, square.
Scram, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Cool feeds, just checking.
Yeah.
Alright, and then we have some ears coming up. Ooh, there we go.
Got you.
One ear.
Two ears.
Two ears.
Oh.
Now let's do its face. I think you should probably build the face first before you try to attach it. Where you go?
Oh.
Yeah. Let's scoop a little guy over there. Alright. I want some eyeballs. Yeah. One eyeball, I think.
Two eyeballs.
Yeah.
He's looking in both directions.
Oh, okay. They can't see. Oh, I love it. Okay, what about nose? Do you think he needs a nose? I think so. Alright, let's get him a nose. Her. It a nose.
I would say her.
Her?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, I love it. And then we have a face. And there's a body.
I would name her Spike.
Sparky, huh? Sparky the panda. Is it done?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Why do I got zero? I think I can.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your bamboo needs to be tall.
Yeah.
Because bamboo grows really tall. I don't know how tall, but it grows really tall.
Well, in my class, it can go up to like 15 and a half jumps.
15 and a half jumps or blocks? Is there
16 blocks.
16 blocks? Okay. Cool. Well, we have our panda in the bamboo.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Yay! Oh, I love it. It's so cute. All right.
I need something else. I don't know what to say.
You don't need it. Okay, Oliver, what do we say?
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our videos, press the subscribe button and to leave one like and leave one sub. And come back for the next video.
Yeah!
Bye.
Make sure subscribe for good luck.
Oh.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.